Hi guys, I'm Chelsea Horn and this is Eliza Horn, daughter and dancer. I am going to show you guys today how to do a center part low bun for recital. First, you're going to comb the hair all straight back into like a low pony. That is going to be the easiest way to find the center of their head and also to make a straight part. So yeah, just make sure that it's nice and straight. You're going to comb everything back into a low ponytail, and I'm using just a wet brush. I used a comb obviously to do the parting, and then a wet brush to get through their hair. And love those brushes. You can find them everywhere these days. But and first I'm going to start off with the Spiker Ice Water Resistant Styling Glue. This is not my daily go-to, but it is an awesome thing for recital when you need their hair to stay all day. I have tried many products. This is by far the best for those long dance days. So I just put it on my other hand and kind of dabble a little bit onto the areas that they get the worst flyaways, which is around their face and around their ears. So just really coat it on there. And then after I get that on there, I brush it again, kind of work it into the hair. And Eliza just gets so many bumps all the time, so bad. So I have to use a boar bristle brush, which I'm going to show you here. You can get those at Target. You can get them at Sally's. You can get them online at Amazon, I'm sure. I have a flat one here, but you can use the kind with the handle. They are amazing to just really give it that finished look. It's going to make it just shiny and sleek and get all those bumps out. So then once I get all those bumps out, I'm going to secure it with an elastic. I use the kind that is covered, not the skinny plastic kind, just because those can break the hair pretty easily. And then I'm just going to twist it up and all around. It's pretty simple. Her hair is wet right now. You don't have to start with wet hair. You can start with dry hair and but do spray down the hair around the scalp so you can get the styling glue in there. Otherwise, it will not move. And if you decide to use a different gel, that's fine too. But the hair does need to be wet, at least around the scalp. I just showed you there with bobby pins. Make sure when you're putting that bobby pin in that it is the bumpy side down. That's something that a lot of people don't realize, but it's going to hold the hair better. The other trick I have for this is to really make sure that you're not putting too much hair into the bobby pin, okay? The more hair you put into that bobby pin, the less likely it's going to stay. So really just put it in don't try to get it around the whole bun. You're just putting it next to the scalp. That's where it's going to stay the most secure. And then I'm saying, 10 to 12 bobby pins, depends kind of on their hair thickness. Really, this is a hairnet. I highly recommend this because with costume changes and just kiddos, even if you don't have costume changes, you do have several hours between recitals, and that hairnet is going to keep it secure the whole day. You can get those again, Sally's, Target, the dance shop, at the studio. And then I'm just putting a few more bobby pins in there to secure the hairnet. Let's see. Oh, and then this is it's the same brand. It's the Spiker brand. I think it's made by Ice, or Joico is the company that makes it. It's a styling adhesive. It is amazing also. So those two, the adhesive glue as well as the spray, are amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.